Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to know about this topic, how to calculate battery life of CR2032 if we used with TS1307 RTC module. So we are having these two things. This is the battery, that is CR2032, and this one is RTC module. I hope many of the people are aware of this module, but if you don't know, I'm going to tell this. So this module is used for the calculation of time, hours, minute, date, day, month, year. So the purpose of this is I want to calculate how much battery life is this if I use with this module. So in this tutorial we are going to know all those formulas that will work, how much long last this battery will work. So let's get started. So before starting we need two things. The first thing is the power of this battery, and the second thing is the consumption of this module. So this my battery is having a power of 210 milliampere hour mAh. Every battery have different mAh, so this one is I am having of 210 mAh, and this power consumption is around 500 nanoampere Na, we can say. And this one is having around 500 Na. So we need to convert this into mAh. When we convert it to mAh, we will have 0.0005 milliampere. So now our second step is to calculate the battery life. There is a formula which is the most important formula. Without this formula, we are not going to get the battery life of this battery. So the formula is so battery capacities are 210 mAh, and the current draw, or we say a power consumption of this module RTC module, is 0.0005 milliampere. So when we solve this, we will get this value, that is 4,20,000 hours. So we got this value. The battery life of this battery is 4,20,000 hours. Now we have to convert it to the years. How many years will it work? There is also a formula to convert it. Now we will get those values. So now to convert hours into years, we have some values, like for example, as we have 24 hour in a day and we have 365 days. I am not counting here a leap year day. I am just taking a common 365 days. So after calculating it, we will have around 8760 hour per year. So to calculate the year, we will do we will use 4,20,000 hour, which we have in the previous values. This one, 4,20,000 hours. Now here, year equals to 4,20,000 hours divided by this one, 8760 to 0. Now we will have the values 48 years. So this module with this battery works with 48 years. I hope you guys have understood these formulas, how to calculate the battery life of this battery if we use these modules. We are using a single module, so that's why it is 48 years battery life. If we have multiple components, then definitely the years will be decreases because of the consumptions of the modules. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video or say tutorial to your near and dear. I have uploaded many of the videos which I have used with Arduino, Python, PCB regarding Gerber files regarding. Watch those playlists. I have also made a video of robotics, and that I have used remote control. That remote control is made by me. What type of component I have used for those remotes for the robots, you can watch and learn, and you can make by yourself. Thanks. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day.